Hi, to show notifications on the lock screen on your Samsung Galaxy A35, we need to open Settings on the phone and here scroll till we could find Notifications tab. Now, after that, just search for the lock screen notifications and now you can either disable it or enable. So to disable, tap on the switcher to see the status off and so the switcher would become gray. To enable, tap it again and you'll see the status on and the switcher will become blue. And after that, you can also select whether you want to show or hide content of your notifications on the lock screen. So if you want to hide, just tap on that option. If you want to show, tap on it. And also, you can tap the settings icon near it and manually choose apps that can show content in lock screen notifications. You can enable all apps by tapping switcher near all apps, or you can disable all apps and manually enable some of them by tapping on those switchers like that, or you can manually disable some of them by tapping on the switcher. And to save the changes, it is enough to simply go back using this back arrow. And also you can enable the school feature show content when unlocked. So you can either enable it so the switcher is blue or disable so the switcher is gray. And also you can go in notifications to show and here select either alert and silent notifications or just alert notifications. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.